Let's check out the Communication Advocate by BeTexting. You can go to your Tools, and then within Tools, go to Advocate. Now, the Communication Advocate was inspired by our Bible study on communication, and one of the big themes there was we need to think about and reflect a little bit on what we're saying because our words are really important. So you can learn more about that by checking out some of these blog posts, or even going all the way in and checking out the Bible study, which I think is linked to in one of those. So the first thing is to turn on the reflection time. This can be turned on or off by user. And then if you're an admin, you can turn it on or off for your team as well. So you can give yourself more or less reflection time per character. And let's see how that works. So we got our test demo account here. So go ahead and send this. Now what you're seeing is this message is being held in reflection. So it gives the user a little bit of time to reflect, maybe let the Spirit prompt them and how they want to craft their message. So if you decide, I think I might want to change that a little bit, just simply click and it'll bring it right back into the compose field for you. So you can change it, edit it, send it out. Now if you decide you want to send it out right away, you just click send now and it'll push it through so you don't have to wait on it. Now another cool thing in the Communication Advocate in this area of reflections is you can actually create reflections. So every account comes default with some default reflections. So we have those enabled now. I'll turn this test one off. And you can learn more about the reflections we chose and how that was inspired by certain scripture, just helping us to be mindful of what we're saying. So when we, we'll just do it in the same thread here. When we go ahead and send this out, we'll try to, that's a good one. All right, so we're gonna send this GIF and we'll send it out. So now, not only is it holding this message in reflection, but it's giving us some things to reflect on. Now, a really cool thing is, I showed you before in the settings there that you can even add custom ones. So maybe it's something you want to make sure that everyone on your team communicates to every single customer during every single interaction, or really just anything that you want to be in there. For your team to reflect on while they're communicating with customers, or for you to reflect on, you can make them personal as well. So again, if you don't want to wait and you just want to send this through, which is probably not the best message ever, but just to be funny, we'll send it. You can push it through. So that's some of the basic features of the Communication Advocate. Thanks for watching.